This is a McGraw Edison Box Fan. I got it yesterday for $4 at a flea market because the man that was selling it didn't know how to oil it, and it needed to be oiled really badly. Lowe didn't do anything. It's a good fan. There's where it says Edison. It's hard to see, kind of, the blades. Show you the back real quick. This is the back of it. It looks better in the back, sort of like a window fan. Anyways, I'll show you. The speed here is low. It doesn't blow too much air. It's low, it's barely doing anything. There's medium. It's quiet. It's way better than my Toastmaster, and I think it has a Toastmaster motor. And here's high. It needs more oiling. I'll have to do that a little bit later. But anyway, this is my McGraw Edison fan. Hope you enjoyed the video.